all of the stuff. I'm doing all of the things that I need to, but nothing feels right. I'm going to name this video a candid message. No, a candid talk about, I don't know, right. Basically, I want to make a video about how, as an entrepreneur, as someone who is going through building businesses, developing, like I'm still 25, I'm young, you will get days and weeks and maybe months where you just don't feel like you are working towards the thing that is important to you. I've had this week. I wanted to make this video because I think it will help people. As entrepreneurs, we look on LinkedIn, we look on Instagram, we look on TikTok, we look on all these platforms and we see all these people doing amazing, amazing things. We feel really proud of them. We feel pumped for them. But sometimes it can just feel draining and it can feel like a complete punch in the face. Maybe you've had something where you're trying to work on something, you're trying to grow something, you're trying to do something, but nothing just feels like it's fitting. You're doing something, but then you're getting setbacks. You're trying something else, but then it's just not working. And this can be really mentally draining, believe me. The reason for me making this video is because I've literally had this, I would say, yeah, I've had a week like this week. And let me describe it to you. I want to describe it to you. So essentially, I've been doing stuff. I've been making my to-do list. So you can see there, like record YouTube video, rave edits, LP edit, all of the stuff. I'm doing all of the things that I need to, but nothing feels right. It doesn't feel like I'm working towards my North Star. Now, I don't know if this is because I'm just having a bad week. My energy levels are down, my chemicals in my body are just different at the moment. I don't know what it is. I've tried so many things to try and get out of this rut. I've had a walk, I've been out in nature, I've seen friends, I've done loads of different things, but nothing just feels like it's sticking. And it starts to cause anxiety in the sense that I feel like I need to do more to counteract for not doing stuff. So it's kind of that downward spiral in the sense that you feel like you need to do work, but you don't end up doing the work. So then you feel like you need to do more work to counteract the fact that you haven't done the work. I don't know if I'm the only person. I feel like I'm not the only person that's going through this. It just is sometimes hard. That's what I wanted to say. I wanted to say it's hard. It's hard in the sense that it's hard. Yeah, it's hard. That's all I'm going to leave it at, is it's hard. We see this always on this like winning culture, this everyone's doing everything right, and that's what it feels like. And when you're not in your own head, it can be really hard to see the world from that perspective. Like it just feels like everyone's doing everything right, whereas you're still back on the starting line. And yeah, I feel like you go through these stages at various different points in your life. I feel like you go through the stages at various different points in your business, and I think it's okay. Like I know it's okay. It's okay. It's completely fine. And I wanted to make this video that, like, if you are a young entrepreneur, and I guarantee you, like, you've probably been feeling like this. You just feel like maybe nothing's happening within your business. You feel like whatever you're doing isn't leading to results, and I can guarantee you that we all go through this. Whatever you see on social media isn't always 100% true. It's hard. Entrepreneurship is hard. And I want to say, keep doing what you are doing. You are doing something amazing. You are changing the world. You are making a difference. You're improving the lives of other people. And that is such a good thing. But you will have days where it just doesn't feel like it's working. And that's okay. You have weeks that it doesn't feel like it's working. Again, that's okay. Keep going. And yeah, maybe this is just a message for me. So don't watch this video. But if you have watched this video, I want to say thank you. And yeah, if you can consider subscribing, that would mean so much. Have a fantastic, fantastic day. Goodbye. Remember, you are not in this alone. Thank you.